Jai student, today we are going to discuss the topic type of frequency distribution in the chapter organization of data. The type of frequency distribution is five type. First, exclusive series, inclusive series, open end series, cumulative frequency series, and mid value frequency series. The first, exclusive series. Exclusive series is that series in which every class interval is excluded corresponding to its upper limit. In this series, upper limit of one class interval is lower limit of the next class interval. It is called exclusive series because of the frequency of the upper limit of each class interval is not included in that class. For example, in a class interval 10 to 15, only such item will be included, the value of which is between the 10 and 14. Any item of the value of the 15 would be included in the next class interval, that is 15 and 20. You can see from the example the marks 10, 15, uh, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 35 to 35. It is clear from this table that upper limit of a class interval is repeated itself as the lower limit of the next class interval. Also, it may be noted that all the corresponding value to say 15 have been incooperative is not in the class interval of 10 to 15, but in the class interval 15 to 20. Likewise, the value of 20 will be included in the class interval 20 to 15, not included class interval in 15 to 20. Next, inclusive series is that series which included all the item up to its upper limit. In such series, upper limit of a class interval does not repeat itself as a lower limit of the next class interval. Thus, there is a gap between the upper limit of the class interval and the lower limit of the next class interval. The gap range between the 0.1 to 1.0, for example 10 to 14, 15 to 90, 20 to 24, etc., represent as an inclusive series. So all the item ranging between 10 to 14 included in that class interval. Likewise, all the item ranging between 15 to 90 would be included in that class interval. While in a exclusive there is a overlapping of the class limit, so there is no such overlapping in the exclusive series. Next, conversion of inclusive series into exclusive series. Inclusive series are used to be there some definite difference between the value of various items in the population. In the above table, you can see that students have obtained 14 to 14.5 of 19.5 mark. These can be expected if the exclusive series are converted into the exclusive series. For the step involved in conversion of inclusive series into the exclusive series. First, we find difference between the upper limit of the class interval and lower limit of the next class interval. Half of that difference added to the upper limit of the class interval, half is subtracted from the lower limit of the class interval. So using these two steps, the inclusive series above table have been converted into the exclusive series. And what is the basic difference between the exclusive series and inclusive series? In case of exclusive series, upper limit of one class interval is repeated itself as lower limit of the next class interval, while in the case of inclusive series it is does not. And the difference between exclusive and inclusive series: in case of exclusive, upper limit of one class interval is not a lower limit of next class interval, and however in inclusive series there is generally a difference between the upper limit of one and lower limit of other class interval. Or in case of exclusive, the value of one limit class interval is not included in that class and rather than included in lower limit of the next class interval. In the case of exclusive series, value of upper limit class included in that very class interval. So this is the difference between the exclusive and inclusive series. Thank you.